Okay, my name is Chef Him Udebaron, and I'm here to talk about, first off, having a healthy breakfast. That is so important to starting your day right. So having the right nutrients produces having the right energy, and so you are fueled to be able to do what you need to do for the rest of the day. Guys, planning is half the battle. Kapag mapaplano mo yung buong week mo on what you are going to cook and serve to your family, mas dumadali ito. Kasi kapag hindi ka nagplano, kung ano-ano na lang yung kukunin mo, and so ang kakalabasan is also something that's not planned very well. So, meal planning is so essential. Thinking ahead, planning, being able to buy the right ingredients for what you're about to cook is so important to eating healthy. So sometimes iniisip natin that healthy eating and healthy cooking is one, super expensive. That's not true. Actually, mas mahal magkasakit kesa sa kumain ng tama. Second, that it is boring and we're always faced with bland, unappetizing food. So we want to debunk that myth na mas pwede kang kumain ng napakasarap na pagkain but still keep it healthy. The third is that it is super difficult, meaning it takes about so much of your time. It's maraming steps. We're gonna show in this class na hindi totoo yun, that you can make a meal within 30 minutes. Plan it, basta na plano mo na maigi, you bought the right ingredients, you do your mise en place, you can do it in less than 30 minutes. Okay, so some practical tips to be accountable and motivated. One, do it together. Ako, I do it with my family. So when I tell my kids to eat their vegetables, I have to make sure I eat my own vegetables. So that's first. It's better to do it with others. Second, to make it sustainable, just make sure na palaging masarap yung niluluto nyo. Healthy pero masarap. And no one's gonna say no to that. Kung tuloy-tuloy siyang masarap, it will be sustainable. It doesn't have to be a crash diet that you no sugar at all or no carbs at all. Those are unsustainable diets. Kasi pag ginawa mo nga siya for like a 10-day period, on the 11th day, you come running back to those things that you crave. Pero if it's a sustainable diet that you plan very well, kapag malaging masarap, you'll just go on eating that way every single day. So guys, ano pa hinihintay nyo? Let's eat well and stay healthy, not just for ourselves, but for our family. So join this class only here at the Bailiwick Academy.